Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's Mohammad Abdullah with another new video, and today we will learn how an AI agent for a Tic Tac Toe game works. I have program and a project open here in my VS Code, and its name is Tic Tac Toe AI agent. We have three different files here, and the main file is obviously our Minimax algorithm file, and I made this agent in JavaScript. And the two files are for the designing the boards. Actually, I have already hosted it on the internet, so if you are wondering how it will look like, you can simply go to your browser and just type AI tic tac toe dot search dot sh, and here you will find the end result of this program. So it's a tic tac toe board with 3 columns and 3 rows, and we just hard coded this board with the help of HTML and JavaScript. And also the algorithm that we are applying for an AI agent, we write it in JavaScript. So here is our main program of Minimax. First is to start with the best move. Actually, it's find the best move in the whole board. So we have two for loops here. It's one for the row and the another one for the column. Actually, we have defined this here that the width of this board will be 3 and the height will be 3, means 3 columns and 3 rows. And we assign AI as X and human as O. So we know that we have X and O in tic-tac-toe game. Okay, so once it find out the best move, and then AI will have its turn. You can see right here, and actually if you study it deeper, so you will find out that tic-tac-toe is actually implementing a tree data structure. So we have to define a board here, and then later we will come to this. We also have to define the depth for this tree, so we will come to this later. Okay, so AI is just finding a spot here to make its turn, and once it find out this spot, we will be saying that the score that the AI has done will be equal to the best score. And here we also define the score and declare it that if the AI agent make its turn and if it's won, then we are initializing score as 10, and if the human agent won and he makes his turn, we are initializing it as -10. And then if there is no result, means it's a tie, then we are initializing it as 0. Now from here the main program starts. It's the implementation of Minimax function. First of all, we are checking the winner, because it's always will be null. As we started the program in the starting, there is no result, we are just going to play. So it will return null, and we will score null in the score, and then of the result it will decide if it's 10, -10, or a tie. Now it's time for AI agent to make its turn. It's just iterating through the rows and columns and finding the best spot, and here the Minimax algorithm came into effect. You can see that we have depth, and I will explain this false later. So here you can see AI agent is finding the best spot and make its turn. Now in this Minimax we given board in a parameter and then depth. So now AI agent here has make his turn. Now we are saying that depth +1, so that the human agent will make his turn in the next move. We not want AI agent to play the whole game alone. And here we are also saying that now the AI agent will stop, so its state will be false, so that the human agent will start playing its turn. Now here the AI agent took the best possible turn and the best possible spot in the board, so that he can win. Now it's time for the human to make its turn, and now the board is looking and iterating to in the rows and column and looking for the input from the user. Now once the human make his turn, we repeat the same procedure. We are saying the depth +1, so now the AI agent will have his turn, and we are declaring true here, means it's actually the the opposite of this, so that now AI agent can have its turn. It's actually a recursive method, so till we have a result, they both call themselves repeatedly. So now at the end we have a best score function. So from AI trend we also have a best score, and from human agent we also have a best score. Then we compare this best score with these, and on the basic of best store scores we will decide our winner, that who is our winner. And now if you are thinking about the source course or source code of this agent, you can find the source code at my GitHub repository. Just simply go to github.com/abdullahkeet. It's my GitHub account, and I made a special repository for this AI Tic Tac Toe agent. And if you go to repositories and let it load. So here in the repository, you will find this Tic Tac Toe AI Minimax Algorithm, and you will find the all files here. You are free to play with it. You can experiment it with the 5 rows or 5 columns or a multiplayer. We only have 2 players here, the AI and the human, and you can experiment with multiplayers too. And I also hosted it here on the search, so you can play it online here at aitictacttoe.search.sh. If you have any question or query regarding this, you can comment me below in the comment box, and I will put these both links in the description so that you have ease in accessing this source code. So we'll meet you with another video, another new video next time. So till then, Allah Hafiz.